Alright guys, what's up? I'm gonna make this really quick. Welcome to the channel. It's Christian Valentine, everything Christian Valentine. I'm here to help you out with your handle for YouTube. What you want to do, if you're on iPhone, you probably can do this on Android too, but you're looking at your social media app, you can do this in the app. So what you do is you click on YouTube, it opens up, and then what you want to do at the top right hand corner, you want to click on your picture, because that's your channel. It brings up your name. You want to click on your name at the top, which then opens up some other things that you have, like all your other accounts and things like that. So what you want to do is you just want to click on edit channel right there, and then you can see handle. And then what you want to do is just click on that, I want to say pencil, and then you type in your handle. If somebody already has it, it's going to tell you that you can't have it. So let's see, this handle is available. If I go back a little bit, so it says this handle isn't available, try a new one. So what you want to do is you just want to go up there and, you know, work around something that fits your handle that you want, and then you're all good. Click save at the top right, and then you're all good. All right, this video helped you. Give me a sub, give me a like. Have a great day. Peace.